Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are seeing me for the very first time, then hi, my name is Debadrita and welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell just right to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload. So today's video is going to be a very short and quick review on the Sugar's Contour de Force face palettes. They have two shades and I have both of them. The second one I got very recently on great discount, and that is the main reason of reviewing this product right now, because these are not new launches of course. So but Sugar Cosmetics is running their stock clearance sales and most of their products are on great discount. So I think this is the best time to shop anything from Sugar Cosmetics, and just keep checking out their website, because recently I saw their 999 rupees wala foundation on like direct 433 rupees. So it was like unbelievable. That is the main reason I am sharing this video right now. And also on the later part of this video I am also going to be talking about some recommendations which you can keep in mind while shopping from Sugar Cosmetics. So let's get started. So first let's talk about these face palettes. So this come on this kind of packaging. You first have to take the sleeve off and it looks something like this. This is cardboard. I think all of you must have seen this by now, but still I'm showing this for the sake of this video. So when you open it, you first get a plastic wrapper like this, and when you take it off, it kind of looks like this. You have a mirror right here, and here is the blush, the highlighter and the contour shades. So the price for this is 799 rupees, and you get 12.5 grams of product. I think the price point is great, because if you want to buy them separately, like the blush, contour and highlight, they are also available separately. But if you want to buy them separately, you have to pay like 349 to 399 rupees for each of the products, and you get three of them for straight of 799 rupees. That is great. But recently I got this one. This is for my sister. This one I got for only 433 rupees and I was so shocked. Now this sale is only available on Sugar Cosmetics Sugar Cosmetics website. The sale was the triplet offer, like you get three products for 1299 rupees, and I got three products which all of them were for 799 rupees. So technically I got each of them for 433 rupees, and this was including in that sale. So I shall be swatching the shades, and I also will talk about the shades a little later on this video. But first let me talk about the formula. The formula is great, I feel. These are very blendable, extremely blendable and buttery soft. These are not chalky or powdery at all. There is very slight amount of kickback, but that is fine. I feel that is common with almost every product. But these are not overly pigmented, which I also feel is good, because if you are a beginner you don't really have to get worried about applying too much, which I feel is great, because often we end up using a lot of blush on our face if the blush is extremely pigmented. But this does not happen with this, because these are not overly pigmented, these are decently pigmented. Okay, so now coming to the most important part, that is the shades. The first palette, that is a 01 Subtle Summit, it has Peach Peak as blush, Top Topper as contour, and Champagne Champion as highlighter. And this is meant for light to medium skin people. And then we have 02 Vivid Victory, and it has Pink Pinnacle as blush, Woody Wonder as contour, and Gold Something as highlighter. I shall mention it on the screen. This is meant for medium dark to dark skin tone people. Now the thing is that the first palette, which is this one right here, here the blush is perfect for light to medium skin tone. It will be absolutely perfect for light skin people. I am a medium skinned people and it doesn't show that much on my face, and I like it because it just gives a very like tiny flush of color, which I prefer on day-to-day basis. The highlighter is very subtle. I have uh, this on my skin right now, and it is very subtle. As you can see, you can barely see it because I have applied a lot though, but you can barely see it because it is very subtle. It is kind of a day-to-day highlighter. You can use it on daily basis, especially in winters. but if you have full face of makeup like I have right now, it won't really show up that much. I think it would show much better on bare skin, and the contour shade would be perfect for light skin people, and it also shows up on my skin. It is a good contour shade, I would say. It is not so muddy, not so ashy, it's kind of in between, and it is the perfect shade for me, so I really like this palette. Now, talking about the second shade, which is 02 Vivid Victory, the pink shade, the blush shade is Pink Pinnacle. It is quite pink and quite dark. I shall include the swatches later. So it is quite dark. The highlighter shade is also quite dark. The only thing I feel is not good about this palette is that the contour shade is quite light if I compare it with the first palette. So you see, this is Subtle Summit and this is Vivid Victory. So as you can see, though this is meant for dark skin people, but the contour shade in this is very light for even my skin tone, and it is obviously going to be very light for darker skin people. It will barely show on them, I feel. It does not show on me as well. So I just personally feel that if they would have included the second shade, the top topper shade on the second palette, it would have been great, because the second shade Woody Wonder does not show up on medium skin, and that would definitely not show up on darker skin. So that is the only thing, but overall I feel the palettes are great. And if you get a chance to grab them on sale, just don't think about it, buy it, because they are great. They worth the money, I feel. And if you are lighter skin tone, up to my skin tone, you can definitely go for 01 Subtle Summit. And if you are darker than me, then you can use Vivid Victory. Now I shall include the swatches side by side. So now, without making this video any longer, I shall put my recommendations, and if I have used them or not, I shall put everything in the description box. So if you want, you can check that out. But if I want to include them in this video is going to be super long. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope the video was helpful enough for you, and if it was, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. Otherwise there is no point of subscribing to my channel, because you won't get notified every time I upload. So yeah, that is all for today's video, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.